Hello Cricut buddies, Jav here from Cricut Maker Craft.
In today's video, I'm showing you how to download SVG cut files from Etsy and upload them on your Design Space canvas. Let's get started.
Now before we get started with today's tutorial, I want to share a couple of announcements. So first of all, I'm running a milestone giveaway. Once I hit 10k subscribers on my YouTube, I'm gonna give away a Cricut Maker bundle. So if you want to win this, make sure you hit the subscribe button below. Secondly, I wanted to share this amazing video that I created for everyone just starting out with Cricut or don't know what SVGs or SVG cut files are. So go ahead and sign up for this completely free training video. The link is given in the description below. Also, if you are new to the Cricut world and finding it hard to remember all the tasks that you need to perform with your Cricut, then go ahead and grab this set of cheat sheets that I created just for you. It's only $15 and you get this 40-page set of cheat sheets with all the diagrams and everything about everything that you need to do with your Cricut. So let me just read out some of the stuff that are included. So there's the description on everything about Design Space, the left hand side panel, the right hand side panel, how to cut, how to mirror, how to group, how to ungroup. Everything is given in this set of cheat sheets that you just need to download. You can print it out and keep it beside your Cricut, or you can just leave it on your device to refer to it whenever you feel like. So when I was getting started, this really helped me in remembering everything that I needed to remember about my Cricut. So go ahead and grab this. It's only $15. The link is given in the description down below.
So usually you'll see that the files come in a package rather than separated, and the package ends with .zip. This means to access the file, we actually need to unzip the package first. So I'm going to show you how to do this on the desktop as well as on the iPad. So first of all, I'm going to show you how to do this on a desktop. So log into your Etsy account, and at the top right hand corner under the user image, you'll find a drop down menu, and from here click on purchases and reviews. So once you click on it, you'll end up on this page where you can find all of your past purchases, and you'll also see the option to download them right on the right hand side, as you can see over here. So just click on download files on the file that you would like to download, and you'll end up on this new page. And as you can see, you'll see the option to download the stuff. So just click on the download button and your SVG file will be downloaded on your computer. This in itself is not an SVG. This is a package which contains the SVG file. So your package is either going to look like this or this. So I have a packaging software installed. That's why this is what my package looks like. If you don't have this packaging software, yours is going to look like this. So look for the file on your computers. Now to find the SVG file, all you got to do is right click and then click on extract here. And all of the contents of the package will then appear inside your folder. And your SVG file will look like this with a browser icon, as you can see over here. You can't normally see an SVG file on your computer. It will appear with a browser icon. You can only see it inside the Design Space app. So to upload this on Design Space, just open up the Design Space software and upload this file on Design Space app. Now let me show you how to download an SVG on your iPad and import it on Design Space. To unzip files on the iPad, you need to install the iZip app. You can find this in the App Store. Once downloaded, you can then extract files on your iPad. So on your iPad, open up your Etsy account and tap on the downward arrow under your photo and click on purchases and reviews. Next, you'll end up on this screen. From here, click on the download button for the file that you would like to download, and you're going to end up on this screen. Over here, just click on download, and on the bottom of your screen, you'll see this prompt. So just tap on download once again. Once downloaded, tap on open in, and then tap on copy to iZip. The file will now open up in the iZip app. And once you see this message, just click on OK. The file has now been extracted on your device. Now go to the Design Space app and click on Browse Files. Next, go to On My iPad and tap on the iZip folder that you can see over here. And from here, look for the folder of the file that you would like to work with. So here's my salt and pepper folder, and inside the folder, you'll find all of these files. So you need to tap on the one with the double rectangles. All of these other images of salt and pepper are not actually SVGs. They are PNG. They're either in a PNG or a JPEG format. We need to work with an SVG, which is the file with the double rectangles. So tap on this file and you'll get this prompt to rename it. So give it a good name and just tap on OK, and the file will then be saved on your library. So just click on the library and click on insert, and there you go. Your image is now on the canvas. All right, that is it.
All right, with that, we have reached the end of today's tutorial. I hope you girls and guys enjoyed it. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section down below, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel for a chance to win a Cricut Maker bundle when I hit 10K. I'll now see you in the next video. Bye bye.